So let's search for some really good books to learn how to sketch. Here we are with How to Draw, the famous book from Scott Robertson and Thomas Bertling. So this is the book for me if you want to learn how to sketch cards from the basics, as I always say in my videos, and you are searching for a book that is really complete in terms of content, to make sure that you understand the A, B, C, all the alphabet, all the steps to follow, then you should buy this book, How to Draw by Scott Robertson and Thomas Bertling. Now, Scott is a great designer, a great teacher. He's a great industrial designer, great car designer, visionary designer, Thomas Bertling, but both of them together put a really excellent book. And the thing is, the new thing about this book is also that is interactive with QR codes on some pages or some other codes with your telephone or your iPhone or with your iPad, you can just be connected directly to the YouTube video that explains, just as you see in the image here, okay? So keep in mind this, because this is an excellent feature that will allow you to understand much better this book. Now, the good thing about this book, when we go and start looking, is of course the beautiful explanations about how to sketch with the right perspective, different type of perspectives, all right? But it's very interesting, the sequence, the order that Scott Robertson put together in order to make sure that you really understand from day one the first thing you had to learn in terms of getting to the professional level that everybody, of course, hope to get. So, as you can see, you go from the materials, the terminology, all those technical, terms that we use in our car design, industrial design world, and then you get to the perspective, the grids, the composition, how you organize, a composition, what type of eye level you can have in your composition to make it more dramatic or more static, more dynamic, more exciting. And then, of course, all this together for the exercise of your creativity. Once you get all those rules, once you exercise all those rules and you see that your work starts getting much, much better, then you will know how to do beautiful things, just like Scott is doing here. And this is my friend Scott, okay? So I really think that you should buy this book. You find this book, of course, on Amazon, all right? And here you can see all sorts of scenarios. This is cool, you see? Here you have a tilted plane, and this is a typical composition rule when you want to make things more dramatic. Your renderings, for example. Okay? So you should go and find this book, because you go from the very basics, the very basics, like which is the real material you should use, you should buy in order to give you the quality, the quality of all the work that you will do, until beautiful marker, quick sketches, thumbnails, storyboards of your ideas, put in the right perspective, in the right scenario, with the right composition. So you should find this book, in my opinion, as soon as possible, okay? And I got it from Amazon, and I'm very, very happy that this book is in my library. So here we have the information about Thomas Bertling, Director of Entertainment Design. He also is from Art Center College of Design. He's a design engineer and educator. And Scott Robertson, for those that don't know Scott, okay, it's a former chair of entertainment design, Art Center College of Design. designer, author, educator, a co-producer, all right? So go and check also the videos that and his channel, because Scott has an incredible, beautiful channel here, very educated channel for all car design and entertainment design lovers. Okay, so, and then of course he has also other books that he already made, and maybe some of you they already know. So this is an excellent book. Please go and get it. Okay, thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this video, this new design book review about the book from Scott Robertson and Thomas Bertling, How to Draw. All right, and as I said at the beginning, for me this is the book to have. All right, thank you very much. If you like this video, put your like. If you would like to become a member of this channel, please find the link below to click and become a member with special videos dedicated exclusively to members. Okay, of course, I will be very happy about that. And put your like to the video, share the video, and support this channel. Thank you very much. Bye.